you're safely inside the transmitter, we can begin. Excellent. Initializing in 3, 2, 1. Barney, if you'd be so kind.
Good luck out there, Gordon.
Yes, indeed. We're ready to project you, Gordon. Bon voyage, and best of luck in your future endeavors. Final sequence. The hell? What is it?
It's your pet, the freaking headhopper!
Lamar, Lily, no!
Is Lamar with him? Forget about that thing!
What's going on here? I'm not sure. It seems to be some kind of interference.
Gordon, stay put. We'll get you out of there.
Something is drawing him away.
I need my perks. One perk is never enough.
I'm getting him out of there.
You can't just wade into the field! It will kill you!
Just lost Gordon. What's going on?
I wish I knew! I'm encountering unexpected interference!
Don't worry, Gordon.
There he is! We're losing it again.
Nothing to me, man. Oh, fucking cute! He didn't come through.
Then where is he?
Behind you.
Ah!
Shut it down. Shut it down.
Gordon, you must get out of here! Run! Get down out of sight. I'll come find you.
Hey, Gordon! The Citadel's on full alert. I've never seen it lit up like that. Get out of City 17 as fast as you can, Gordon. Take the old canals, right? They'll get you to Eli's lab. It's a dangerous route, but there's a whole network of refugees, and they'll help you if they can. I'd come with you, but I gotta look after Dr. Kleiner. Oh, and before I forget, I think you dropped this back in Black Mesa. Good luck out there, buddy.